settings on here?
Well, something is wrong. Okay. Well. No, right.
There we go.
This is the...
Okay, thank you.
No problem. We are using the business scale.
Yes.
So, yeah, right.
Okay. Fingernails. Just want to get a shot of the browser and I'll be done. But I think it looks